Welcome back. I'm best-selling author and keynote speaker Scott Steinberg, and today we're going to take a look at what it takes to make internet and online interactions safe for kids. Never forget that homework is for parents as well as kids too. Always study, research, and go hands-on with new technologies so you can make more informed decisions and stay ahead of changing features and trends. Be sure to use the parental controls built into popular high-tech devices and software programs to limit content by age appropriateness as well. Do not assume that they are directly set by default. Don't forget to activate the privacy features that are built into social networks like Facebook as well, so you can limit strangers' access to personal information. Don't assume that these are going to be adequately set either. You might confine screens to common household areas such as playrooms and dens as well, so you can monitor usage and play habits, and also be sure to establish predetermined times when use of these devices is permitted or banned. Most importantly, even if you employ kid-friendly software apps and web filters, you gotta educate kids on online dangers and encourage them to speak up when concerns arise. As always, thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our website, www.akineotespeaker.com. Until next time, I'm Scott Steinberg, signing off.